Now, I am about to say something that I never thought I would. I had a good night's sleep last night. And the night before that. All week in fact, I have tipped into bed, my mind restless for one shuddering moment before I turn to lie flat on my back and repeat a well-rehearsed script, at which point my thoughts drop off into dark velvety sleep. Velvety. Remedies. Hysteria. It began when I was 10. I would deliberately keep myself awake to pick over the day. It would take me 5 or 6 hours to get to sleep and, even then, it would be interrupted.